Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add an EMA on NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader software. Then after that, go to this icon right here. It will see indicators. Click on it. Then on available, scroll down until you see EMA. So as you can see, this one, click on it 2 times. Then here on period, you can choose the period you want. So let's say 50 or 200 or 20. So let's say 50 for this example. Then scroll down and you will see here color, MA color. So click on it if you want to change the color. So let's say I will choose forest green, for example. And also you can change the thickness of the line. So let's say 5, for example. Click apply. And as you can see here, this is my MA 50. And after that, if you are happy with that, just click on OK. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.